What's up guys, Super Geek here. Asus recently released the ROG Phone 6 and the smartphone is really awesome, just like all of its predecessors. And now Asus is all set to release the next iteration of Zenfone, which is going to be the Zenfone 9. And today everything about the smartphone has been leaked in a promo video. And this promo video is not a teaser kind of a thing. It's a complete promo video that you see on a release of a smartphone. So it reveals almost everything about the smartphone, including processor, battery, camera, design, and some accessories as well. So today we're going to talk about everything about that, and I hope this smartphone comes to India with the global release. So starting from the processor, the smartphone is going to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. This is the same one that you're getting in ROG Phone 6 this year. Now moving on, the smartphone will come with 4300 mAh battery. Surprisingly, there's nothing about the fast charging has been mentioned in the promo video, but I'm sure they are going to provide some kind of fast charging in this phone because everyone's doing it, so why don't they? Alright, moving on to the camera. So this is where the story gets really interesting, because this time Asus went with dual camera setup on a flagship smartphone where everyone is giving about 4 to 5 camera sensors at the back. Right now Asus is stick to only 2 camera sensors, and to be very honest, the camera modules looks really interesting, and why they looks very interesting has been answered in the promo video as well, because the camera sensors will come with some gimbal stabilization tech, which is going to give you some really stable videos. And the design of the camera modules at the back is really interesting. There are 2 separate camera modules. They are really big, and they looks really nice, to be very honest. I don't know, it's my opinion, and it looks really good on the smartphone. And the camera sensor that they're going to use in the smartphone is Sony IMX766, which is going to give you some really nice imaging. Now moving on, the smartphone is still stuck to the side mounted fingerprint sensor, and there's nothing wrong with it, but I really prefer the in-display fingerprint sensor to the side one. I don't know, it's personal choice. I like the in-display fingerprint sensor better than the side mounted one. But this time they're giving some really cool features with that side mounted fingerprint sensor. You can actually scroll into the pages on the user interface if you swipe on that fingerprint sensor. So that is something I'm really looking forward to. Maybe there are going to be some more features to that fingerprint sensor that we're going to see when the phone will be released. Now the smartphone is really compact, and they're keeping that legacy from Zenfone 8. The smartphone will be only 5.9 inches. I'm talking about the display size. So you can easily imagine the smartphone is going to be really compact and really easy to hold. Now moving on, the smartphone will feature a Samsung AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. Well, we still don't know the resolution of this display, but I'm pretty much sure that this display is going to be 1080p. It will be really surprising to see a 2K display on this smartphone. Now moving on to some accessories. So there are some third-party accessories, and I think this one is Asus's own accessory for the smartphone, and it's the smart backpack mount. So you can mount your phone on your backpack strap. If you like, if you do tracking or something, you can use your phone as a GoPro, so you can record everything that you're doing on that tracking or something. So that's really cool trick. The best part is that the smartphone is anchored with a string to that holder, and which is going to keep the smartphone from falling down. Now one more accessory is kind of a third-party accessory, and it's a phone case. It's a Connex phone case with Kickstand card holder. So it's a card holder which you can connect to your Connex case, and it comes with a kickstand as well. So that's kind of a third-party accessory. Moving on, the smartphone will come with IP68 water resistance, so that's pretty much normal, but it will come with a 3.5 mm headphone jack. So that's a really surprising thing, that Asus is still keeping that legacy of putting a headphone jack on the smartphone without compromising any other features. So that's a really cool thing. So that's pretty much everything about the Asus Zenfone 9 that we got to know today in this promo video. And if you want to see this promo video, I have a link in the description, so you can go ahead and check that out yourself. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.